Large agricultural tractors have a long history of use in scraper applications. Today, you'll commonly see them performing tasks that range from hauling water to leveling terrain with pull-behind scrapers. In the past few years, many operators have made the switch from large self-propelled scrapers to wheeled tractors and rubber track-type units. Case IH wheel and rubber track units offer a very cost-effective alternative to existing land leveling machinery. The STX from Case IH comes in 6 scraper-specific versions with wheel or QuadTrac models available. Wheels or tracks, the scraper version of the STX is the ideal tractor for land leveling applications. All STX scraper tractors are equipped with an industry-leading scraper drawbar that can be adapted to a variety of scrapers. An optional reverse adapter makes changeover from scrapers to other pull-type implements easy. Every scraper version STX, both wheel and track, features standard front and rear differential locks, laser-ready electronic remotes, backup alarm, and beacon. A tow cable, which runs under the tractor and hooks to the drawbar, is designed to prevent tractor chassis damage when a unit is pulled from the front with loaded pans. The rugged 16-speed transmission that can start up in second gear is designed to transfer more usable power to the ground with proven durability. The auto skip feature automatically allows the operator to shift up 2 gears at a time. And the select shift feature allows the operator to select alternate working gears in single gear steps when required. For exceptional hydraulic performance, even with tandem scrapers, every STX scraper version offers a high-capacity 55 GPM hydraulic pump as standard equipment. In addition, the electro-hydraulic valve control system used on the STX Steiger is designed to interface with the electronic controls of the Spectra precision laser control system. This allows the addition of a laser control system to the STX without the added expense of aftermarket valve systems. A range of tires are available for the STX scraper wheel versions. The recommended tire for all wheel scraper versions is the 620/70 R42. Wheel tractors remain a valuable asset, but when it comes to moving dirt with maximum efficiency under the worst conditions, nothing beats the added performance of tracks. The STX story starts at ground level with a site-tested 30-inch wide scraper track. The Case IH QuadTrac system found on the STX 375, 425, and STX 450 offers the most advanced track technology in the industry, with 4 independent tracks that apply more power to the ground for faster cycles and more profitable performance year after year. The improved undercarriage features redesigned drive wheels, idlers, and rollers over the 9300 series, plus heavier durometer rubber mounts, a new front casting, all new inside flange rollers, and 18-inch longer tracks. The STX QuadTrac maintains better ground contact because each track pivots independently to follow the ground contour more precisely than a 2-track system. Slippage is reduced dramatically too. Wheel tractors usually experience about 8 to 10% slippage under normal conditions. The QuadTrac virtually eliminates slippage, putting all of its power to the ground and moving more dirt per pass. This improved ground contact also means greater flotation than conventional wheel tractors or 2-track models. Operator comfort is greatly improved over 2-track units. The jarring bumps that make 2-track design so uncomfortable are eaten up by the 4-track system, making those long workdays in the STX cab easier. Whether you choose the STX 375, 425, or 450, QuadTrac or wheel version, you've got a tough, durable machine. When you look at the options, the scraper-specific design, you can see why the STX is fast becoming the tractor of choice in land leveling applications. Setup is quick and easy with the STX because Case IH equips the units at the factory for work in the scraper application. Adding a drawbar or changing the weights at the dealership usually isn't necessary. The STX comes ready to go to work. A 65-35 weight split is required on all STX wheel scraper versions. Sometimes additional weighting may be necessary depending on the size of the scraper used, but is generally not needed. No additional weight should be required for the QuadTrac scraper version tractor. Proper weight ratio allows the front axle to maintain better ground contact for optimum performance. Before attaching a scraper or any other attachment, be sure that its size and weight is appropriate for the tractor. The operator's manual includes implement guidelines for each STX model. Scrapers are available in two basic configurations, carryall and ejector types. Either type can be used with the STX 375, 425, or 450. So scraper choice should be based on the worksite requirements. For long straight runs, tandem scrapers will provide the greatest degree of efficiency and productivity. For shorter runs, or if tight turns are common, a single scraper might be preferable. When pulling tandem scrapers, use any combination of 12, 14, 15, or 18-yard units. For best results, scraper cutting width should be wider than the overall width of the tractor. To attach the scraper, position the rear of the tractor as closely as possible to the tongue. Connect the hydraulic hoses to the remotes located at the rear of the tractor. One hose controls the lift cylinder on the rear wheel frame, and the other controls the dump or eject functions. The scraper lift cylinders are used to raise the scraper hitch to the proper height for attachment. Once the hitch and drawbar are joined, secure the hitch with the pin. A nut and cotter key fix the pin in position. The hydraulic connections necessary for attaching tandem scrapers are found at the rear of each scraper. Connect the two scrapers in the same fashion that a single unit is attached to the tractor hydraulic remotes. To get the most from every pass with the STX and scraper, follow these simple tips. They'll have new operators working like old pros in no time. 3 factors affect scraper performance: maintaining the proper speed, operating the scraper at the proper depth, and keeping the STX tractor and scraper moving in a straight line. The recommended loading speed for scraper use is 4 miles per hour or above. This speed can be attained in 4th or 5th gear. In 4th, the engine will be operating at 2,000 RPM at the 4 mile per hour speed. This combination provides good control of the scraper and provides maximum tractor efficiency. A cutting depth of 2 to 3 inches allows the operator to maintain speed in most soil conditions. To set the cutting edge, make sure that the tractor and scraper are tracking in a straight line and running at least 4 miles per hour. Lower the scraper cutting edge until it starts to pull. Then, to maintain speed, raise the cutting edge slightly until the optimum 2 to 3 inch depth is achieved. At the recommended speed, the 2 to 3 inch depth will provide a clean, even cut and load the single or tandem scrapers faster for improved cycle times. The shallow cut also gives the operator more control over the scraper. The STX is best able to put all of its power to the ground when it is moving in a straight line. To keep all four wheels or tracks pulling as they should, make sure that the tractor and scraper are tracking in a straight line before lowering the cutting edge. Keeping the tractor straight provides a controlled cut. Turning with the cutting edge lowered increases side loading on the tracks or wheels and increases the risk of wear and damage. Maintaining high productivity with the STX and scraper is as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Maintain a consistent speed of 4 miles per hour or above. 2. Work at a shallow depth of 2 to 3 inches for smooth, even cut and fast cycle times. 3. Keep the tractor and scraper straight to maximize pulling power and eliminate side loads. With these simple tips, operators can make every cycle in the STX more efficient. And cycle time is what counts when moving dirt. The STX 375, 425, and 450 from Case IH. Revolutionary new tractors, at home in land leveling applications as they are in the field. Scraper-specific engineering. Proven engine and drivetrain for more productive hours with less downtime. For dirt-moving professionals, the choice is now clear. The STX from Case IH.